AEC projects can get pretty complicated, but since my team switched to BIM 360 Design, collaborating in Revit is anything but complicated because it simplifies Revit work sharing, which allows my team to collaborate anytime, anywhere. And since everything's based in the cloud, we'll never have to step into the server room again, unless we're just feeling nostalgic. Our Revit data storage and management got a lot easier. Actually, a whole lot easier. So, we save on IT setup and maintenance time. We can scale subscriptions up and down as needed. We get unlimited storage space without paying extra. We work with software that's built for what we do. And we can leave the tedious, repetitive tasks to the computers. BIM 360 Design helps me bring valuable new technologies and innovative processes to my team. And it helps make collaboration in Revit seamless. And that really works for me.
See what BIM 360 Design can do for you.